Hey guys, well, this is after the header install. I'm going to go ahead and take the bike for its first little test ride. Just nearby there's a nice little in Mexico road I use down the road here. It's new pavement. So I just stuck on my little camera. This is just a temporary deal, and I got a mic under the seat. I started it. It works. So we're going to have the loud one on first with the Holeshot Lextek header. Nothing done to the bike at all. Stock air filter, no modifications. O2 is plugged in. Okay, and then my buddy Kurt's going to drive my car down there. It's only about, I don't know, 5 or 6 miles where we're going to start. And I'm going to bring these mufflers, and we'll do an easy drive-by. I'll romp on the thing a little bit too. So I'm bringing a 17 street core because that's also one even though it sticks out further, I'm going to offer that in the end. These are all my dyno mules. Don't judge what these look like. These are all from the dyno room, but this is 17 street, 14 street core, which is probably the one I'll run, and a 14 also comp 2. And on the bike right now is the 10-inch bad boy with the comp. It's loud. So we'll start with that on the little ride down. And anyway, we'll see you down on the road. Nice parking place we got down there, and we'll just switch out the mufflers and do a little bit of testing. Real world stuff. Okay, see you in a few. Enjoy. You can hear me, this is the 10-inch bad boy. The wind came up, so we can't do any external videos. I'll just do a couple blasts. Well, just got back from our little sound test video, and unfortunately the wind blew in, so it was pretty much useless trying to take an external video. My buddy had this camera and we had it out, but it was so windy I don't think anything came out. Hopefully the ones on the bike. Haven't even looked yet. So here's the 17 Street Touring. It was on there last and on the way home. Camera stayed on. That was a good thing. So we'll see how those turn out. And here's the mufflers. 10-inch bad boy, 14 street, comp 2. So this is the comp 2. I just ran that. This is just a hair quieter than the 10-inch. I didn't want to be out there changing a million mufflers. So I did run the 10-inch bad boy first. The flyby, just kind of cruising. Surprisingly, when you're just going easy, it's not that bad. I thought it'd be a lot louder when you're just, as soon as you roll into the throttle though and start applying gas and putting a load on it, it gets freaking loud. This one is my favorite overall, the Street 14. Comp 2 is still going to be quieter than this one a little bit. Just the 4 inches does make a difference. But I like this one the best. It still makes the power. But when you're easy on the throttle, it's not bad at all. And that's the same core that's in the 17 Street touring muffler. Now keep in mind, when I make my own mid-pipe down here, I'll bring that up a little bit. So that tip will come down, maybe that much, maybe a couple inches, I'm not sure. Depends on how that pipe works out. But that'll give you a little more clearance if you had some small soft bags or something like that or whatever. But that is definitely the one to put on this bike for long distance guys. Still comes alive, you heard it. That was the last video when you're on it hard, but at cruise it's super subtle. Real nice.